Hey everyone! In this video, I'm reviewing Lumi Tanning Drops, a product that claims to give you a natural, sun-kissed glow when mixed into your daily moisturizer or serum. No UV exposure, no messy lotions, just glowing skin in a few easy steps. But do Lumi Tanning Drops actually work? Or is this just another overhyped scam? These drops are marketed as an all-natural, streak-free way to tan without the mess of traditional self-tanners. Sounds great, right? However, real user reviews tell a different story. Many complain about uneven application, orange undertones, and poor development, especially on fair or dry skin. Some users even say the product doesn't show any noticeable color change at all. Others find it overpriced for what it delivers, especially when compared to more affordable self-tanning brands that offer better results. If you're considering trying Lumi Tanning Drops, make sure to read real customer feedback first. If this review helped you make a decision, please hit like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.